Okay friends, just open your settings application, then scroll up, then select general, then select software update. Select software update. Okay, and you can see here automatic updates are turned off. Tap on that, then tick on automatically download, and you can also set automatic install. Okay, then it will be closed and show only one option like automatic install. That means automatically download and install. So if you are facing a major problem in your iOS device, or if you have some kind of buggy in your phone, then you can just software update your iPhone, because it will be clear the problems. So otherwise I am not recommending turn on the automatic install and software updation, because most of the case um, software updates brings main problems in 2023 to 25. That means motherboard issues, display issues, and other battery drain issues, and many more issues. So if you have running or a smooth iOS on your device, do not update your device. That is my recommendation. And if you're facing a major problems like camera issue or any heating issue, any other major issues, then just watch on social media, then uh, take notes about the software updation of your devices, like other people opinion, like it is good or bad, or it is stable or not. Then wait for 1 to 3 months before you updation your software. That period 1 to 3 months, you will get a very genuine report on your iOS update. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.